everybody, it's Darius at Plumbdog. I've got a bit of an interesting one today, where a pipe's failed inside the cavity wall. Now, I didn't want to break a huge hole for the client outside their building. It's going to look a bit ugly. I'm scratching my head trying to think how we're going to minimise the damage to the wall outside and actually get the pipe out and repair it. Now, I've used this trick a couple of times where PVC's been damaged and we need to cut it internally. I didn't think it'd quite work with copper tube, and we've got an old grinding disc, cut the excess off, fitted it into our drill just to make like a blade, and I'm able to put that inside the wall, cut the pipe where normally we'd have to tear a giant hole to get in there with either some pipe cutters or a hacksaw to do so. Let's see how I go. Also guys, I do need to apologise for some of the camera angles. I don't get the luxury of being able to put the camera everywhere where I need it. That worked a charm, didn't it? See, now that's loose. I just need to cut it off here, weld a new piece in, wrap it. Happy days. And wrapped up, water's back on, and we're pretty happy with that. Now I've just got to fill in that hole. I've got a dry mix of mortar here ready to go, so you don't want to leave a hole in the wall. You're just going to let insects and vermin, everything else come back in. It's pretty simple. I've wet that all already. Just need to trowel that off in there, get it all to stick on. Really is quite hard to do this with just one hand. Well, there we go. That's got us out of trouble, hasn't it? Got to get a bit clever about that one. So now time to get my old mate here back in. I'm Darius here. Have a great day.